Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use screen time to limit app usage on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Now once you click on screen time, make sure you turn on screen time and set your screen time passcode. After that, come to where you see app and website activity, click on that. Then type in your screen time passcode. Once you type in your screen time passcode, you should see turn on app and website activity. Go ahead and turn that on. Now, once you turn on apps and website activity, come to where you see limit usage. Then locate and click on app limit where you see set time limit for apps. Click on that. Then go ahead and click on hard limit. Locate and click on the application where you want to set the limit. Then click on the pointed arrow to open the applications. Select it. You can add multiple apps here, and then go ahead and click on next at the top right. Then you should see the time frame. So this depends on how many hours you want to use this particular application per day. So let's say I want to use it for 3 hours. Then you should see the number of hours every day. Then go ahead and click on hard. Mark you can say block at the end of limit. So after this time expires, this is going to block access to this particular application on your iPhone. So go ahead and click on hard. Then you should see the application limit you added. Now, this is going to work on Prime Video on my iPhone as well as on YouTube. So I'll be able to access YouTube, but after 3 hours or so minutes, this is going to block the YouTube application on my iPhone. So that's exactly how to limit app usage time on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.